Welcome to Lee Does Stuff. Today I'm going to be showing you how to use a stovetop coffee pot. This is an Italian style or more of a European style coffee pot. Let's turn the heat on and get started. We want a medium heat. So you want to turn the dial to medium and then just a little bit less. This process will take about 10 minutes and then your coffee will be ready to go. You'll know when it's ready when it just bubbles, just there, you see? Now, if your heat was too high, you would have a lot bigger of an explosion than that. So you have to be careful on not having the heat jacked up way too much. And lifting the lid here, you can see it percolating, taking all the water from that base and bringing it up through that tube to the top. And now we've seen that the percolating has slowed down enough to start pouring a cup of coffee. This works perfectly for 2 cups. This is an Americano style of coffee. And if you don't want to do this, then you can do a round of espresso for everybody in little espresso cups. Okay, so we've enjoyed our coffee. Our coffee pot is cooled down, and now it's time to clean and reload the pot. As you can see here, I have unscrewed the top from the bottom. The funnel inside is a bit tricky. It just takes a little tap, and then all the coffee grounds just come right up. You want to make sure that none of this coffee ends up down your drain because coffee grounds will clog your drain over time. So just make sure that you're disposing the grounds in the proper place. While cleaning, we have to remember to check this rubber gasket right here. If this gasket isn't in place and you're making coffee, you'll actually do a coffee explosion and your grounds will end up on your ceiling and all over your cabinets. It's happened to me and it's not fun. We will be using cold water to fill up the base. We want to fill up the water so it's just below that little weeping hole there. See that little weeping hole? We want the water just below that. We'll put our funnel back in and now we're going to add coffee. I add the grounded coffee till there's about a ½ inch from the top lip. Give it a shake to level it off. And let's check our rubber gasket one more time. It's in place and we're going to screw the top to the bottom. And you want to just do it snugly. Time to wipe off the excess water, get it all ready to be put back on the stovetop, and we are ready to go again. Thank you for watching.